Hey guys, what can we do? I know what we can do. We can explore this place. Okay, sounds good to me. What about you, James? It's boring. Who cares? We'll go without you. I actually feel kind of alone. Wait for me! So guys, what should we explore? We have to get out of there. Out of what? There! Oh gosh. How can we get up to the doorknob? I have an idea that might just work. Okay, hold my thunder. Ready? I'm going to jump up there. James, be careful. I'm fine. Alright, at the highest point. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hurry! Get it! Guys, what's that noise? Beats me. Let's check it out. Okay. What's that noise? Ow! I tripped. Haha. Couch. Haha. Racist booger. Come on, James. Let's go. Huh? Oh my gosh, it's giant monsters! Run! Ah! Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Guys, Percy, wait for me! Ah! Doof! We all tripped over. Come on, go. Let's go, 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 go. Guys, come on. What? Oh, it's a TV. Really? I want to watch TV. I don't think we're here to watch TV, James. Let's just go in there. Okay. Alright guys, we're nearly there. We're nearly there. Poof! What? A basketball? How do you know so much about this place, Thomas? Because I was the first toy I ever owned. So, let's go to that tent. Here. Let's see. Get this basketball out of the way. Here we go! Ah, made it! I made it further than you, James! Woo! That was close. Luckily, we got away from those monsters, guys. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Let's just go back. Okay, sure. Wait for me, guys! Oh my gosh, there's a giant baby! How are we gonna get past it? I have an idea. We have to go running over there. We have to go run over there as quickly as we could. Okay? Got the plan? Got it. Alright, Percy, you first. Here we go.
Yay!
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Basketball.
They're coming! Come on, Percy, let's go back to the door. Run for your lives! You got distracted by the TV. Okay, person. Oh gosh, my tender. Oh gosh, wait! Guys, wait for me! Gotta get back to the superstation. Oh, at least get back to the machines. Oh gosh, no, my tender! I left him behind! Oh gosh. Oh yes! Oh yes! A team of sheds! Come on! Come on, let's go! Come on, guys. We have to get out. Wait for me! Come on. Don't get distracted by the TV. Woo! Guys, we're safe at last. Ha! And ha! You thought I was gonna hit the camera, huh? Well, you're wrong. Have a good episode, guys. Bye!